Let's do some calculations with degrees and minutes. And by calculations, I legit mean calculations. So we're going to add 28 degrees, 35 minutes plus 63 degrees, 52 minutes. Let's think about doing this. I don't know. I like to do all of my math vertically. So I'm just going to rewrite this in a vertical way here. If we think about doing this almost in sections, I'm first going to add my minutes. So 35 plus 52 gives me 87 minutes. And 28 plus 63 gives me 91 degrees. Now that is not your final answer because hopefully you recognize that 87 minutes, well, we know, hopefully, that 60 minutes is 1 degree. So 87 minutes can be broken down into 60 plus 27, and this 60 minutes is a degree. So we are really almost like you're carrying, right? So we'll have 27 minutes, we're going to carry a degree, and our final answer is 92 degrees, 27 minutes. So you just kind of have to say that idea of 60 minutes that adds a degree and it takes it out of the minutes area. What if we're subtracting? So now I have 180 degrees and I'm subtracting 117 degrees, 29 minutes. Well, you'll notice that we are lacking minutes in the top number here. I can borrow just like with normal subtraction. So if I borrow a degree, again, we know that 1 degree is 60 minutes. So if I borrow a degree, I can turn that into 60 minutes. So now I can subtract. 60 minutes minus 29 minutes is 31 minutes, and 179 minus 117 is 62. So I have 62 degrees, 31 minutes. Now let's do one that is a little bit trickier. Last one here. 23 degrees, 47 minutes minus 42 degrees, 51 minutes. And if you're thinking, hey-oh, 23 minus 42, what? Okay, back up. Think about, we'll come back to this one. Think about if you were just taking 3 minus 7. We've done this before, right? And you're like, well, the mathematics of this is I take 7 minus 3 and I get 4. And because the 7 is negative, my answer is negative 4. Same idea. So I'm going to take the larger absolute value number, 42 degrees, 51 minutes, and I'm going to subtract 23 degrees, 47 minutes, knowing that my final answer is going to be negative because the 42, 51 is negative. So when I do that, 51 minus 47 gives me 4 minutes, and 42 minus 23 gives me 19 degrees. So my final answer is negative 19 degrees, 4 minutes. And hopefully that makes sense, right? If we think about it, if you started at 23:47, that is a positive angle. And then if you subtract, that means you're coming back. 23:47 gets you back to your initial side, and then you're going to swing into the negative category, right? So that's kind of the visual idea of what happens here. So if you find yourself in that category, just think about how would I do this if I had normal standard numbers, and you can apply it to then your degrees and minutes.